Andrew. Hey. Andrew. We're supposed to be shooting that video for the Airpods 2 Pro.
Oh, you mean these AirPods? The ones with active noise cancellation, the touch control volume, and an H2 chip for clean high and low frequencies?
No, we're not advertising the AirPods, we're just teaching people how to apply our skins.
I think I like my skin where it is, thank you very much.
That's the desired result. Now, we need to gather some necessary supplies so that you can put this device together. What you're going to need is your device, of course, your MightySkins skin, a microfiber cloth, and optionally, you can use an X-Acto knife to make removing from the paper a little bit easier. Before you even begin applying your skin to the case, you have to completely wipe down the surface. Make sure there's no dust, specks, anything else really on the case. This needs to be as clean as possible for the best results. We're going to start with the top. Make sure you align the sticker with the hinge right along this little nook here. That will ensure for best results and start you from placing the skin in the middle of the device. You can then work out any bubbles to the edges. Fold the flaps along the side and the top of the skin. Once everything is aligned, you can fold the little ears of the skin down, those rounded areas, to fill in the remaining holes. Apply the rest of the case pieces. Each one of these is similar to the others, so any process that you had used to do the first one, you're going to be able to do the rest. Now, if you need to, you can remove the decal and reapply. Be very careful with this, because once again, like removing it from the backing, the skin can stretch. Once this happens, there's no going back. Alright, you still with me? Next is the earbuds. Make sure you grab the right sticker. You have the left and the right one, and both are completely different from each other. You want the little U at the bottom to align with the flat surface that's used for volume control. Align the skin with the black oval at the back of the earbud. Then you can wrap around the bottom portion first, since that's the easiest thing to do. And then very careful, again, that's the word of the day. Very carefully apply to the top. Now all that's left is to apply to the second earbud, and you are finished, my friends.